Yes, good morning. Let me all, you all fine. I'm also doing fine. Yeah, just a recap on a few pairs I keep looking at. So a recap on DXY, and I'm also gonna look at the pair that I took, though it's against my trading rules. Yes. So I'll be looking at DXY and Gbpjpy. Those are the two pairs I'll look at. But before that, we're gonna start looking at gold. Yes. So let's dive into gold. We see how it's performing. Just like I said, this is the XY. Let me just start off with gold. Gold. Where is gold? So this is gold. Yeah, just like I said, gold has been pushing up, like you see. Gold has been pushing up after giving us a sweet market structure shift here. So we could say sweep of liquidity mitigates this support area and give us a change in state of delivery here and a shift of market structure. Okay, so gold started buying so well with a bullish momentum. You can see the evidence of this bullish fair value gap. So it signifies momentum, the bullish momentum. Yes. So though I couldn't take an entry on gold because the time it gave me a shift in market structure, I was waiting for it to tap this fair value gap before it proceeds up. I missed the entry. So gold kept proceeding because this was our drawn liquidity at this 4,549 level is our drawn liquidity. So gold kept on printing higher highs and higher lows. So what I did, in most cases, for me to take any entry, I normally wait for inducement to be taken out first. So this was the first inducement I marked, and I was hoping that gold will come and take out this inducement, of which it never did. Yes, gold kept drifting higher and higher. The more it drifted, the more I kept shifting my inducement. So currently my inducement is here. So if gold happens to take out this inducement that I'm having, then if it happens to take out this inducement, then I'll be looking for buys, targeting this first level of take profit and the extreme, which is there. So if it doesn't take out any inducement, there will be no point for me to look for any entries for buys. Yes, because definitely I always wanna trade sticking to my rules, because whenever I break my own rules, yeah, the market punishes me. All right, so that's gold. So let's look at Gbpjpy. This is the pair I took, though I took it in a counter trend. Yeah, this is just a counter trend I took on Gbpjpy. Gbpjpy, as we analyzed, I never talked about it. I normally trade it alongside gold. Wherever I am trading gold, I trade Gbpjpy alongside. So Gbpjpy, GJ actually, let's say GJ. Before this reaccumulation, I thought price maybe would come and take out this sell side liquidity, this external range below this range low, then taps our POI before it continues to what? To buy. But that never happened. price eventually made a push upwards, taking the buy side liquidity, as you could see, yeah, resting above this range high. So this confirmed another new valid break of structure. It was a valid break of structure because inducement was taken from the first place. Inducement was taken. This is the inducement. I would say it was taken from the first place. Yes, before price breaking above. So currently, it gave us a new trading range. Let me enlarge this new trading range since we have a valid low. This valid low is a valid low because of this break of structure. Definitely. Yeah. So what I'm looking at a complex pullback. I'm currently trading this complex pullback. Yes, I took some shots around. I took some shots around here. Yeah, I took some shots around here. Yeah, and I'm targeting this area of discount, this refined area of demand on 15 minutes. So let's go to 15 minutes. This is H4 so that we can see my refined area of demand, or where I'm hoping to take some buys. 15 minutes. When I make setups on H4, there's what we call time frame alignment. Time frame alignment helps you to match the time frames correctly so that you can get a good trading edge. Yeah. So you can see, since this is a valid break of structure on 15 minutes, wow, and this was the end of the expansion leg. So the expansion leg started from this low to this high. So this was the end. What signified that it was the end of the expansion leg? After this inducement turned into a shift of market structure, because this was my last inducement level. I was hoping for price to run before it continues up, but it turned into a shift of market structure. So price shifted. We started now printing bearish order flow. These are internal structures which I'm trading. I'm trading the pullback basing on the internal structures. So this pullback is a complex pullback of which I'm trading towards this POI. You can see this area of demand. This is the refined area of demand on 15 minutes. Yes. Yeah. And below that demand, we could see it's a valid demand because we have some imbalance and we have this area of liquidity resting on this bullish rejection low. So this is actually what I'm waiting to see. I'm waiting to see price taking out this liquidity and tapping demand before it continues to buy, targeting this major swing high, which we see on 4 hour. Let me go back to 4 hours so that you can see. So that's what I had for today. I'm waiting to buy around 210.832. Yes. GJ. Have a good day. Bye.